What's up guys, my name is Rob G. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Comica Boom X-D. This is a 2.4 digital wireless microphone set for your video camera. Now, most of the times in the studio here, I don't really like to use wireless microphones because my microphones are pretty much mounted throughout the studio. I have boom microphones, I have microphones mounted on the desk, and these particular microphones that I use, I like these microphones because I have more control over them. I use audio interfaces with my microphones and it gives me better control. But I decided to get the Comica because I wanted to see what it's like to have a wireless system, and if I decided to want to move around the studio, I have a microphone that I can attach to my shirt or my pants or anything like that, and I can actually move around. So what I'm going to be doing in this video, I'm going to be unboxing this one and I'm going to show you exactly what's in the box. And then I'm probably going to make a video and show you what the quality of this particular microphone is. I did set this microphone up and did a demonstration with it, and I'm going to show you what the results were for that. But I will make another video and show you exactly how this microphone sounds. So what's up everybody, my name is Rob G, and on this channel you'll find helpful tips and information and reviews on this channel to help you get started here on the platform. If that's something that you're interested in, please support the channel by subscribing. So let's unbox this microphone and I'm going to show you exactly what's in the box. And hopefully you might want to pick one of these up. Now Comica makes some really nice microphones. This one here is a nice little case, as you can see it. It's in a nice little case, and I think that's pretty good. So let's unzip it, and it's a hardcover case too, so it's not something soft. Now right out of the box, you have a couple of cables here, and I'm going to take each cable out because there's quite a few cables here. I'm just going to take them all out. There's around three or four different cables here. And this is the lapel microphone that comes with the Comica. All right, so that's the lapel. So let's just put that right there. And what do we have here? This is a little wind furry here for the microphone. So we're gonna just leave this stuff up here for now. I'm gonna show you exactly. This is a nice little case. Gonna throw it over there. All right, so right away, I like the case that it came into because it's nice and compact, and it's going to protect your microphone. So if you're going out and you're about, this should protect your microphone from any kind of damage, or even if you drop it, because it has like another piece in here that comes out, and it's almost like a hard kind of styrofoam. I can't even get the thing out. Let's take this one out. Yeah, let's take these out real quick, and I'm going to show you. It's like a hard little plastic that comes with it to help protect the gear, right? So we're gonna close this up and I'm gonna put this to the side. And I got the two devices right here. All right, so right out of the box, you have a receiver and you have a transmitter, which is pretty nice. Just looking at this, I think it's pretty compact. It's well made, and I think you're really gonna like this. On the receiver, I have the power button, and I have a reset button on this receiver. If you wanted to reset this for any reason, you can actually do that. And I think there would be some kind of reset key to this, but I don't see any reset key to this exactly. No, I don't see no reset key to that. So I guess you can use anything to actually reset this. Anyway. Okay, so now on the receiver you have A and B for different channels. If you decide you want to use channel A, then you can plug your wireless microphone into that, or if you decide to use B. Like I said, it has a reset button up here. On the other side here, it has a USB-C cable because you can recharge these. These are rechargeable. So this way you can recharge it and it should last you for a while. On the transmitter, you have mute and you have the power button, and you have a pair button here. So if you want to pair this with your device. All you have to do is hit the pair button and you hold them close together and they will pair. But I can tell you this, when I had this and I took these out of the box, I turned these on and right out of the box they just paired right up. I didn't even have to pair them up, they just actually paired up, so which is good. On this one too, you have another reset button here as well, and you have the USB-C charging port as well, so if you want to charge it up you can do that. On the back of the device you have a clip, so if you want to clip this on your shirt you can, and the clips are pretty strong. Same thing for the receiver, is the same thing, so you can do that one as well. On the front of it, it says Comica Boom X-D on both the devices. And on the transmitter itself, it has a omnical microphone built into the device itself. So if you want to use this particular microphone that's on this device itself, you can actually use that instead of the wireless lapel mic. Now when you power this up, I'm going to power this up real quick so you can actually see it on the display. I'm going to power both of them up for that matter. And these are charged. I already charged them. They're about 3/4 charged. And in the front of it you can see right away, I don't know if you can see that, but in the front right away, it's showing you the signal that it has on it, the strength. It shows you the wireless connection that it has, and it shows you the strengths of the transmitter, so that's pretty good. The same thing as for the receiver, it shows you exactly what your levels are here on the receiver, and it's in mono, so that's pretty good, so you know exactly how your transmission is receiving to your camera. Now for this one here, it comes with a couple of cables. This is a cable that came with the device itself, and this is for the smartphone. So if you have a smartphone, these are labeled actually, this is for the smartphone, right? This cable here is for, let's see what this is for. This is for the Canon and Nikon cameras. So if you have a Canon and Nikon camera, this is the cable that you're going to need for that, which I think is pretty good that they labeled it. It has a USB-C power cord to charge it with, which is pretty good, and it's pretty long. As a matter of fact, it has you can charge 3 different devices up there at the same time, because you have this one here, and then you have 3 other USB-C connections as well, which I thought that was pretty cool. So it's a very unique cable, which is pretty good. And then you have your lapel mic, which has a little wind furry on it. So if you're outside and it's something that you want to use outside to help keep down that noise, is pretty good. One of the things I liked about this device here is that when you plug this in to your transmitter, it has a little connection here that actually will lock it in place, so this cord doesn't come out. So when you put it in here like this, it'll lock right into place, so this particular wire is not coming out. So that makes it pretty good, so you don't have to worry about yanking it out or anything like that. That's pretty good. When you want to take this out, you press it in like this and then you just pull it out and it comes right out. So I think that's pretty good. One of the reasons why you might want to get a device like this for if you shoot outside a lot and you need the freedom to move around, this is probably one of the best things that you can actually get to actually do that, because I don't really shoot outside that much, but I decided to get it because I want to move around in the studio a little bit and I want to have a little more freedom. So that's why I decided to get this one. I paid about $115 for this on Amazon, which I thought was a really good price, and I did test it out. It sounded okay. I think I have to tweak it a little bit to get the sound that I actually am trying to look for in a wireless headset. So hopefully I can get that, and hopefully I can get the quality sound that I want. So in my next review, I should have a review up and showing you exactly how this sounds with my Canon R10. Hopefully you'll see that, and maybe you'll decide if you want to buy it or not. So I hope you found this unboxing useful. If you did, please support the channel by subscribing and I'll have the other video up pretty soon, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.